got the valves off. These are open. Relieve the pressure. I keep a rod in here so that the top doesn't come off, because there should be a little bit of pressure. All bolts temper 2. Now we're gonna go ahead and ease them up slowly so we don't, if anything's broken, it doesn't go flying. As you can see, there's just a lot of iron buildup, so we're gonna go ahead and clean it out. We had a number 1 check is out. Check your seat here. Looks good. We'll still clean it out. But the culprit is right here. This piece not allowing this to sit, so we're going to replace the rubber too. With the sponge, we went ahead and we cleaned all the stuff around. And if this part is fine, this part here is, you can feel with your fingers, all good. Leave it in, because it's a bigger pain to take it out, and you could damage the epoxy, and then you have to put a new unit in. So I already took it apart, but basically this sits in here. This goes on top of that, and then you have the nut. This spring is contained, so make sure that's not broken. Make sure that the bottom part here, that slide, that moves. And then we rebuild it. Once you have it back together, you're just going to go right in there. And just make sure it slides nice, because this is going to be, as you can see, what moves. So that's going to move back and forth. So make sure it's nice and loose. I always check and replace this O-ring on the cup. So that's going to go there. It slides right back in. What I like to do when I get it back together is I take water with my test hose, feed it in. I don't want to disrupt all that iron I just disturbed. If I couldn't get it all out, jam it right back into my check I just cleaned. So we're gonna go ahead, got that open, and we fill it, slowly fill it up, pressurize it so we get all the air out.